Now, more than 2 years after the coronation of Shola Emiko as the Olu of Warri, Ogiame III, a case brought by Oyewole Emiko challenging his emergence is still ongoing at the Asaba High Court in Delta State. The Chief Judge adjourned the motion for extension of time to file preliminary objection by the defendant until the 27th of March. Ikenna Amechi reports and will be back with business news.
The case at the State High Court Asaba was instituted by Prince Oyewole Emiko, challenging the emergence of Shola Emiko as the Olu of Warri. The contention here today is the extension of time to file motion for preliminary objection.
So I raise objection in line with the Administration of Criminal Justice law, that by Section 55 of that law, there's no provision for motion for extension of time. So based on that, the court, upon argument from all sides, the court now adjourned to rule on the objection we raised. And our objection was strict, that the law as provided today does not provide for a extension of time if you file a preliminary objection.
But strange enough, some of the defendants in this case are towing the line of the claimants. So the argument for the past 1 hour has been whether the preliminary objection against the suit, against the competence of the suit, should be heard or not. And we have the firm conviction that that argument should be heard. And that is because you cannot have a second bite at the cherry.
For the Ologbo, who is one of the defendants in the case, he's here with his supporters to make a point.
Yeah, you know, there's a lot of bullying, a lot of assault on some of us, saying that you must follow the due process. I think that's why these supporters are saying no to tribal bullying, because if one is not careful, it would have linked to death. I don't know where they stand, because people do not want to understand my own position, that I'm not the creator of the law. I'm not the one that made the law. If not the law, anybody in Warri can be Olu of Warri.
Ayiribi Emamidi Ologbo is a defendant in this matter. He's a defendant and is only going to come and say what he knows as the supervising officer of the succession laws in Warri Kingdom. So that's why he's here. He's a defendant to come and say whether to confirm what Prince Oyewole and Prince Alhaji Bernard Emiko have said, is whether to confirm it to be truth or false.
On the 27th of March, the High Court will be ruling on the matter before it. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Asaba.